Hi and hello everyone. This video is about types of set. Myself, Dr. J. Jasmine Bastina, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Corporate Secretaryship from Sri Kaleshwari College, Autonomous Sivahasi. Before entering into this topic, let's clear what is set. Sets are well-defined collection of objects. Objects that a set contains are called elements of the set. We can also consider set as a collection of elements that have a common feature. That is, for example, the collection of even number is called the set of even numbers. Likewise, the collection of odd number is called the set of odd numbers. So from these two examples, we can clearly note that a set has collection of even number and a set has collection of odd number, isn't it? So that is, the collection of number has a common feature, that is only even number or an odd number, isn't it? So normally a set is often written between two curly braces. Okay, for example, in this given example, a set has three elements, that is 1, 2, 3. The another example, set B has also three elements, that is A, B and C. So here the elements are collected and displayed within a curly braces, isn't it? So one more things we have to note it. So normally a set has defined a capital letter. The elements has defined in small letter. So next, the topic is types of set. Sets are the collection of different elements belonging to the same category, and there can be different types of sets seen. That is, a set may have an infinite number of elements or may have no elements at all. Sometimes it may have some elements. Sometimes it may has just only one element, and so on. Based on these different ways, sets are classified into different types. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the singleton set, empty set, finite set, infinite set, equal set and equivalent set. There are 6 types of sets are going to be discussed in this video. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is singleton set. It is nothing but a set has only one element. It is called a singleton set. So the example is, here there are two sets are given, set A and set P. Set A has one element. Within a curly braces, there are one elements. The number is 1. Okay. Set P has A is an even prime number. So we all know that there is only one even prime number, that is 2. That means set P has only one element, that element is 2. So in these two examples, a set has only one element, so it is called a singleton set. Second one is empty set. The word clearly explains these types of set, isn't it? So empty means null, empty means nothing, empty means void. So the empty set is otherwise known as null set or void set. Normally the set is denoted by the symbol, that is pi. The symbol is known as pi. So here there are 2 examples are given. So set A is a such that A is a number greater than 5 and less than 3. Is it possible? Is there any number which is greater than 5 but less than 3? No elements, no number is greater than 5 and less than 3, isn't it? So set A has no element. Then Read the second example. Set B is a P such that P are the students studying in class 7 and class 8. It is unrealistic, isn't it? The students who are studying in class 7 is not in the class 8. Likewise, the students who are studying in class 8 is not in the class 7, isn't it? So, set B has also no element. So, this is the empty set. The next one is finite set. Finite sets are those which have a definite number of elements. No matter how much they are increasing number, as long as they are finite in nature, they will be called a finite set. So, in simply we say means in a finite set we can easily count the number of elements. We can easily determine the number of elements of the set. So, refer the example. Set A is a such that A is the whole number less than 20, isn't it? So, the whole number means it starts from 0, isn't it? It ends in 19 because the number which is less than 20. So, from 0 to 19, that means we have a 20 elements in set A. Likewise, set B has 5 elements, that is A, B, C, D, E, isn't it? But set B has only 5 elements. So, set A and B has a finite number. So, it is called a finite set. Next one is infinite set. It is just opposite to finite set. Here we cannot determine the number of elements. We cannot clearly count the number of elements. Infinite sets are those that have an infinite number of elements present. So it is too difficult to determine the number of elements. So it is called an infinite set. So look at the example. Set A is A is an odd number. So here simply note it is an odd number. So whether it is not clearly it is not noted where it starts, where it ends, isn't it? Simply noted it is an odd number, but they don't have any specification. So odd number which is from 2, likewise it is not given. So likewise refer the set B. Set B has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and then etc. They put a mark for etc. So set B has it's a collection of even number. It starts with 2, but it does not clearly represent where it ends, isn't it? So in this example, set A and set B has infinite set. So it has an infinite number of elements. So it is called a infinite set. The next one is equal set. So already we all know the meaning of the term equal. So if both are equal means it is a equal. So how it is explained as a equal means, here two sets having the same elements and equal number of elements are called equal set. Got it? So you set A and B. So let us take the example A and B. Here set A has 1, 2, 6 and 5. Likewise, set B has 2, 1, 5, 6. In this example, set A has a 4 elements, set B has a 4 elements. Then set A and B has the same element, but the elements are rearranged, isn't it? But it has the same element, same number of elements. So set A and B is a equal set. Okay. Next one is equivalent set. Unlike equal set, equivalent set have the same number of elements present in them. So not a same element. So refer the example. Set A has 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. That means it has a 5 elements. Set B has P, Q, R, S, T. Set B also has 5 elements, but A and B has not the same element, isn't it? A has a 5 element, B has a 5 element. The number of elements only the same in set A and set B. It is a equivalent set. So did you clear the equal and equivalent set? Equal set means elements as well as the number of elements are the same. But in a equivalent set, the number of elements only same. Okay. I hope you are all very clear about the types of set which is discussed in this video. Thank you. Thank you so much.